رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي. You may have heard the saying, live this world according to Allah's desire, according to His wish, and the hereafter will be according to your wish. So we'll see this philosophy now through the verses of the Quran, so that this idea becomes strong. We have a stronger faith in this idea. So first I'll show you the verses in which we must live this world according to Allah's desire, His wish, by worshipping Him. We must worship Him. That is, we must enslave ourselves to Him. So I'll show you some of the verses here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, chapter 1, verse 5. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. Then chapter number 2, verse 21. O mankind, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, that you may become righteous. Chapter number 3, verse 51. Indeed, Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship Him. That is the straight path. Then chapter 3, verse 64. Say, O people of the scripture, come to a word that is equitable between us and you, that we will not worship except Allah, and not associate anything with Him, and not take one another as lords instead of Allah. Then chapter number 5. Let me check this. Yeah, chapter number 5, verse 72. They have certainly disbelieved who say Allah is the Messiah, the son of Mary, while the Messiah had said, O children of Israel, worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. Indeed, who associates others with Allah, Allah has forbidden him paradise, and his refuge is the fire. And there are not for the wrongdoers any helpers. And then chapter number 36, Surah Yasin, verse number 60 and 61. Did I not enjoin upon you, O children of Adam, that you not worship Satan? For indeed he is to you a clear enemy, and that you worship me, only me. This is a straight path. And then finally chapter 15, verse 99, meaning living this life according to Allah's desire, worshipping Him, enslaving yourself to Him, and worship your Lord until there comes to you the certainty that is death. And now, as a result, you will have a hereafter that is according to your desire. The verses I'll show you from chapter number 16, verse 31. Gardens of perpetual residence which they will enter, beneath which rivers flow. They will have therein whatever they wish. Thus does Allah reward the righteous. Then chapter number 25, verse 15 and onwards say, is that better, or the garden of eternity which is promised to the righteous? It will be for them a reward and destination. For them therein is whatever they wish, while abiding eternally. It is ever upon your Lord a promise worthy to be requested. And then chapter number 39, verse 33 and onwards. And the one who has brought the truth, that is the Prophet ﷺ, and they who believed in it, those are the righteous. They will have whatever they desire with their Lord. That is the reward of the doers of good. And then finally, I'll show you chapter number 42, verse 22. You will see the wrongdoers fearful of what they have earned, and it will certainly befall them. And those who have believed and done righteous deeds will be in lush regions of the gardens in paradise, having whatever they will in the presence of the Lord. That is what is the great bounty. Subhanallah. So you saw this philosophy of the Quran. Live this life according to Allah's desire, worship Him, and then hereafter will be according to your desire. May Allah give us the ability to live this life according to His desire, and give us a hereafter that is according to our wishes. And this is just one philosophy. I want you to regularly connect with the Quran, so that all the philosophies of the Quran refresh in your mind regularly, and that eases this way in our worldly life, which is a test. So it eases our way in this test so that we can finally make it to paradise. May Allah grant us paradise. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.